Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to talk about the shapes. I know that this is a review for you because we talked about the shapes before we left. We're going to talk again about 2D shapes, okay? The first 2D shapes, let's first make a title up here. Shapes. Remember how we spell shapes? Shh. Which letter says shh? S and H together. Shh. A. Remember, if this says A, then what do I need here? An E. And we're going to say shapes. But these are 2D shapes. Do you remember what 2D means? It means that the shapes are flat. Okay? So I'm going to say the first one is going to be a circle. And remember that a circle, I know you remember this, a circle is round. Does it have any sides? No, it has 0 sides. Does it have any vertices? It has 0 vertices. Do you remember, boys and girls, what a vertex is? A vertex is a corner. So if you look up here at my pad, this would be a vertex up here. Okay? Does a circle have any vertices? No, because it doesn't have any sides. Okay, let's go on to the next one. A square. A square. Never write Q without the U. We have a square. And remember that a square is going to have all 4 sides the same size. Now, count how many sides a square has. 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. 4 sides. If it has 4 sides, then how many vertices does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will have 4 vertices. Okay, can you think of another shape? Another 2D shape. Let's say we're going to write rectangle. Okay, remember that a rectangle is almost like a square, but it has a little bit different because it's going to have 2 sides that are long, and then it's going to have 2 sides that are short. Okay, so how many sides does a rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like the square. It has 4 sides. Okay, how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices also. And I'll fill those words in later so that we can save this and have it for review later. Okay, and what about another? There's another 2D shape that is really important. And that is, you're right, it is going to be a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. So it's going to have 3 sides. How many vertices does it have? 1, 2, 3. So 3 sides and 3 vertices. Okay, do you remember these? We did them when we were still at school. Okay, what I want you to do today, your assignment is going to be after you finish watching the video on the shapes. What I want you to do is I want you to find examples of these in your house because there's real world examples all over. Just like when we talked about, a book. Here's a book, and it's a rectangle. See, it has 2 short sides and it has 2 long sides. Okay, can you think of something that would be a circle in your house? Maybe you have a clock or plates at your house. Okay, so I want you to share with me what you found, but I want you to look at the video first with that I put into the classroom for you. Okay.